Tomorrow you have to come to the college. Come to the college.
नमस्कार.
And I also request Commander Dayas and you.
Substances as well as the other matters connected table. And coming for the important that, firstly I would like to quote regarding narcotics. And in a criminal law there was a fundamental principle called presumption of innocence. His guilt is proved. And this sentence was derived from a maxim called simple necessitas probandi intimately to
Supreme Court is the chairman, state level, High Court judge, any level, district judge is the chairman, and secretary, senior secretary of the narco, drugs and psychotics. But many of the youngsters follow the alcoholic. Alcoholic also very injures the health. So many youngsters are taking and heroin. But below poverty, middle class people are taking ganja and lecturers are taking alcohol like brandy and whiskey. These are all the program. And because of legal last period, tomorrow every case is more important. So that's why the legal service authority to conduct awareness camps throughout the country. All states this program is done. And these cases were brought in year 2008. Now I completed 16 years in the judiciary. తర్వాత ముందుగా సర్కారీ అనేది ఏం వర్క్ చేస్తుంది ఎవరైనా కానీ ప్రతి మనిషి అంటే న్యాయం పొందాల ఖచ్చితంగా న్యాయం పొందాలని ఫైట్ చేసినప్పుడు అతను ఆ కేసుని డిఫెండ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకున్నా కూడా